So it was a miss here for Ulta's second quarter, reporting earnings per share of $2.76. The street had been looking for $2.80. Revenues of $1.67 billion is a little light. The street had been looking for $1.679 billion. Comps higher by 6.2%. It sounds good. But again, analysts were expecting more. They're expecting those to grow 6.6%. Ulta also lowering its full-year earnings guidance and its sales forecast. Gross margin did expand to 36.4% from 36% last year in the same quarter. And CEO Mary Dillon says that the forecast was cut to reflect headwinds in the U.S. cosmetics market, but doesn't get into any more details about what she believes those headwinds will be. So we're going to hear what she has to say on the call about that. Back over to you.
Is this an industry that's heavily exposed to tariffs when it comes to cosmetics being made there?
So in those early lists, there was a lot of cosmetic makeup components, sort of the ingredients that go into the cosmetics. So again, kind of complicated to figure out exactly what piece of that is going to impact everyone, but there is certainly some exposure there. Again, Ulta's a retailer, right? So then they're going to be one removed from the vendors. So there is some ability to split some of those costs. But yes, it does get complicated, and that can create some uncertainty.
Courtney, thank you. That's a big drop for the stock, 15.5%. They now expect comp store sales growth 4 to 6%. They were previously at 6 to 7%. E-commerce growth of 20 instead of 30. So really taking down the numbers.
Yeah, it still has a, aggressive growth stock PE, and that's what you're seeing right here. I mean, it was kind of like a can't miss story for a very long time, and it's a kind of expansion phase and a little bit of a renaissance there. And so I think the street's going to keep it on a bit of a shorter leash because the stock has faltered even before this number, but still has, a mid-20s forward PE. And that's why I think if you're taking comps down and it looks like maybe it's sputtering growth, you're talking about challenges to the U.S. cosmetics market. That's bringing into question the whole premise.
What does it mean for Kylie Jenner? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, well,
because that was a big growth driver.
I mean, you got to hope she doesn't
peak. I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait till you're